Hey, and the last car of the series is new tooling. This is a 2021 Dodge Charger SRT. Okay, now I'm not a fan of all the new cars, but this is a nice one. It's got the crash bar on it. I mean, look at the cars from the 1970s compared to the ones today. They don't even have any crash bars or anything. And go watch the Blues Brothers or back at Smoking the Bandit Part 2. Even Part 1, they trashed a bunch of police cars. So let's take a look at this baby. This is a brand new chassis, okay? Or body. This is a brand new tooling, okay? Beautiful. It's got a short wheelbase too. It's very snubby, but it's got this crash bar in it. Sandy Springs Police. Wow, what a car. And I crash already off the gate. That should be a perfect stop to catch a good view. And that is the third car, or the fourth card of the series. There's no place for me to sign this because I got a black pen. And I don't have a white one. I might be able to put it on the windshield. Yeah, I might be able to do that. Ahoy. There we go. I put it on the windshield. I'll dry that around there so you can see it. Ahoy! And that is a brand new tooling, okay? Brand new tooling. Brand new tooling. We got some great information we're going to be sharing with you about Auto World. Some exciting things from Auto World. And I talked to Richard, the CEO, and everything is A-OK. I brought up the point that, you know, there's a lot of tension and everything. And he said, oh, there's no tension. And I go, hey, you want tension because you want to get sales up. And that's the best way to do it, is to create positive drama. That's right, we want positive drama. And Auto World makes lots of positive drama because they make the best slot cars you can get for the price, okay? And we have all their sets. They have so many cars. They have 57 Bel Airs. They have 57, look at that one with the hoods and everything. That's an Impala. My grandmother had an Impala. These things were like tanks. I mean, you can't really see how big this is as a kid, but I remember in high school, we all plowed into a 1956 Plymouth Fury, or 58 Plymouth Fury. There must have been 20 of us in this car. And we were driving down on River Road or over by the, about Bowling Green there, and we smacked into a tree. We could have all gotten killed. I think one of the teenagers was drunk when they were driving. But anyways, there must have been 20 of us in that car. We hit that, nothing happened to the car. We got out, and but that thing was a tank. That's a little story from 1978. Long time ago. Long time ago. I was just a boy. Okay, so that's the 2021 Dodge Charger SRT, ProTinkerToys.com.